But yeah, this is a quick look at the interior, and we've got all this material up here. It's quite a nice place to be with the kind of textures and a lot of colours and detail going on in here. It drives all right, just like an electric crossover. You've got the Mustang badge. So this GT one is fast and punchy, so that's worthwhile keeping a note of if you're looking for something like that. But we do have convenience like your wireless charger down here, a little bit of storage down there, and then USB-A and USB-C chargers there. Cup holders, this rotating knob, here's how you get into the gear you want. Parking assistant, I like the fact it's a direct button. Hazards, and then in here we've got a little bit of storage as well, lined with the fuzzy stuff and your 12 volt power outlet in there. So it's definitely practical for a car in here to suit your needs. And again, you got a little GT embossed onto the armrest. Now, this car does have the Ford Performance seats, which do a little bit of figure hugging and add to the sporting credential of the vehicle. I haven't taken this in a track or anything like that today, but yeah, it's been quite fun to experience, and yeah, just something to live with. It's a decent sized glove box as well in there, as you can see. Yeah, it's a very tactile place to be, and this screen I'll quickly show you. It's got little games on it as well, so you can do things like your sketch pad, like so, and you can just do, oh, there we go. If you want to, I don't know, it's going to write Ford, but we're ending up, obviously my sketching and holding the camera is not the same that we need to be doing, but I was just going to go, there we go. If you want some fun with your sketch pad there, just yeah, we're not going to do that. And there's other games there to pass your time while charging, and it's also got a charging assistant, so when in the car you put the navigation on, you put your postcode in, and then it works out for you where you know where you need to charge on your distance. So if you're going to like Carlisle or you're going to Liverpool, wherever it may be, it's going to point them out on the map. So that's quite a neat touch as well. You know, I had it on earlier on, and you can say, oh, there we go, and you can even do other things with the charging as well, like, you know, set your time, whatever it may be, and there's an indication of the range. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video on the first impressions of the Mach-E. I said it's not a full review because I've not had the car for long enough. I just got the keys and wanted to show you it. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks to People's Ford Edinburgh, and I'll see you again. Ciao.